Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to save an Adobe After Effects project as a video. This is a very simple thing to do guys. So make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Adobe After Effects project right here if you haven't already, and after opening up the program on your PC you'll be greeted by this main page right here where we will be greeted by the composition menu where we can get started creating our new composition. So we'll be able to see our composition info, select your quality, fill out all the info that you need, and after that click OK and we can get started with our project. So after creating a project, the video is going to appear right here. So we can go ahead and get started creating a new project, and in the file option right here, if you can either open one that you want to save as a video or you can create a new one, and we can go ahead and import stuff that we need. So after you're finished with your project and you want to go ahead and get started with saving it after adding all the effects that you need, this is how to do it. Basically click the file button right here in the upper left corner, which is going to go ahead and open up this new menu of options that we can access, and one of them is going to be called export. So guys, you can see we can go ahead and start exporting it as a video. We can go ahead and add it to the render queue. So add your render queue guys, and now the render queue is going to appear right here where we can go ahead and manage our render settings. So as you can see, we have our render settings right here and our output module. So you want to go ahead and select what quality you want to use, what kind of info you want to use for a render, and after you're satisfied and you want to get started with rendering guys, what you can do is click the render button right here, and this is going to start your render. That's going to save it as a video. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.